This is number 9, barcarolle, and we're still in 3/4 here, so make sure you're counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the first 2 beats are in the half note, the F sharp, and then quarter note is the 3rd beat. Then we move on to 2 beats plus 1 beat again in the 2nd measure. It's worth noting the yellow box on the bottom of the page talking about keeping your fingers rounded on the fingerboard, and also tapping your fingers and sliding up and down, and you can tap down here as well. This is really going higher in the instrument. When you're going towards the floor, it's really higher because your notes get higher. All right, here's number 9. 1, 2, 3. Nice and smooth. 2.